Hey guys, upgrading to the latest version of Linux Mint 22.3 Xena introduced some new changes to keyboard layout, but also some problems. I was having missing layouts, and also the switching between different keyboard layouts wasn't working well. You can find solution in this article here and some related topics. I found the solution in this Linux Mint forum, and I saw that other users are having similar problems. You can find what is new on this link, which is available in the article as well, and what are the changes for the keyboard layouts, and let's see how you can solve them. You need to go to your layout settings, then manage keyboard layouts. You need to remove all assigned key shortcuts in tab layouts. You can do this by clicking on any of them and backspace. After you unassign all of them, you can go to XKB options, and here you can add switching to another layout, and after doing this you will not have any more issues with switching between different layouts. In the original version after the upgrade, I was having set up switching to next and previous layout, but they didn't work well for me, and this is how you can solve switching or layout problems in Linux Mint. If you have more questions or something is not solved, you can go to Linux Mint forum and try to ask there. Thank you for watching.